the projection rule. In triangle ABC, A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. B is equal to C cos A plus A cos C, and C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. Proof. To prove A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Let's consider triangle ABC where angle B and angle C are acute angles. Let AD perpendicular to BC. BD is equal to projection of AB on BC. We know that in triangle ABD, cos B is equal to BD upon AB. So cos B is equal to BD upon C. So we get BD is equal to C cos B. So BD is equal to C cos B. Also, DC is equal to projection of AC on BC. And since cos of C is equal to DC upon AC, DC upon AC so DC upon B, therefore DC is equal to B cos C. Since A is equal to, A is the side opposite to angle A, so A is equal to length BC equal to, in this case length BC is BD plus DC. Let's substitute for BD and DC. So we get A is equal to, BD is C cos B, DC is B cos C. Therefore A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. So we have proved this result where B and C are acute angles. Now let's consider angle B is obtuse angle. So this angle is obtuse angle and the remaining angle we can write it as pi minus B. So here cos of pi minus B is equal to BD upon AB. So BD is equal to AB into cos pi minus B, that is equal to AB is C and cos of pi minus B is minus cos B. Therefore BD is equal to minus C into cos B. Therefore projection of AB along BC is equal to BD is equal to minus C cos B. Next, DC is equal to projection of AC along BC. Since cos C is equal to DC upon AC, therefore DC is equal to AC into cos. Therefore, DC is equal to B into cos C. Now in this case, where angle B is obtuse, A is equal to length BC can be written as length DC minus length BD. Substituting for DC and BD, we get B cos C minus C cos B. Therefore, A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Next case, when angle B is a right angle. To prove A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Let's consider RHS equal to B cos C plus C cos B. In this case, since B is equal to D, therefore measure angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, RHS is equal to B cos C plus C into cos 90 degrees, but cos 90 degrees is 0. So we get B cos C plus 0. Now what is B cos C? In this right angle triangle, cos C is equal to BC upon AC. Therefore cos C is equal to A upon B. So B cos C is A. Substituting this value, we get RHS is equal to B cos C, that is equal to A equal to LHS. So we have proved RHS is equal to LHS. So we have proved this result, A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Similarly, we can prove B is equal to C cos A plus A cos C, and C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. Small example based on this. In triangle ABC, prove that LHS equal to B plus C into cos A plus C plus A into cos B plus A plus B into cos C equal to, let's open up these brackets. So B cos A plus C cos A plus C cos B plus A cos B plus A cos C plus B cos C equal to. Now let's group the terms. In the first bracket we'll write B cos A plus A cos B plus second bracket C cos A plus A cos C plus third bracket C cos B plus B cos C. Therefore, using the projection rule, we can replace first bracket with C plus second bracket with B plus third bracket with A. Equal to A plus B plus C equal to the right hand side. So we have proved LHS is equal to RHS.